Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about something that's super exciting. If you already follow my Instagram, you will have already heard about this actually a few weeks ago. I can't believe how long it's taken me to film this video. But I thought it was important to create a video for my YouTube channel, as I know probably a lot of you are subscribed to my YouTube channel but don't follow my Instagram. So I wanted to create a video for here, and I wanted to go through everything about the product so you guys kind of know what you're purchasing before you go and purchase it. I have kind of shown a few things on my Instagram but not that much. So I thought it'd be nice to go into a really in-depth video and tell you guys what you should expect. Before we jump into the video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you guys want to see something very exciting, then please keep on watching. So as I said before, I did announce this on my Instagram a few weeks ago, and the response was incredible. I was literally blown away by it. I'm so happy you guys are loving it. But if you haven't heard already, I have brought out my own makeup manual. So this is the makeup manual by Charley VP. It is basically a whole manual book thing all about makeup, the different parts of makeup. There's also some other bits and bobs in here that I will go through with you guys in a minute. So before I jump in and show you guys what is in this, I did do a little Q&A on my Instagram, and I'm going to be answering some of the questions that you guys asked. So my biggest question that I got was how I came up with the idea of a makeup manual, because a lot of you guys hadn't seen it before and were really intrigued on how I came up with it. I have seen similar products on Instagram and just on the internet. There's like makeup bibles and like little leaflet things, and just like there's PDF files and things like that you can purchase. But I really liked the idea of like a manual, because it kind of tells you that you're going to find out loads of information and kind of learn some stuff. And I really wanted it to be a printed out book, because I feel like when I'm paying for something, I want something that I can have in my hands and something that I can keep for a long time. I'm in no way bashing anyone that does PDF style things. I might even turn this into a PDF file one day, but for now I just really wanted it to be a really nice printed book. And I'm so happy with this. So as well as being a makeup artist and doing clients and having my own business, I do of course also do YouTube tutorials. I do a lot of makeup tutorials on my Instagram. I actually provide makeup lessons as well, and with all of that I do go really into depth with makeup and how I personally do it. I think it was especially when I started doing lessons, I thought to myself, this would be so handy if it was all written down somewhere, so I could give someone it at the end of their lesson if they wanted to remember it all. Or even for me just to have like reference of what I want to talk about in my lessons. And I had that thought quite a while ago, but I'd never really gotten around to the idea. I just always kind of thought like, yeah, I will do that one day, but when I have like loads of time to think about it. And then obviously this whole situation happened with coronavirus, and we were all in quarantine and isolated or whatever, and so it really sped up the process. Obviously I wasn't working, I literally was doing absolutely nothing because I wasn't able to. So I decided to get started on this, and I actually managed to finish it all throughout isolation and quarantine, purely because I literally was doing it every single day, morning until night, and we have been stuck in this situation for a while. So I did manage to get it finished, and then I was lucky enough to find a printer that was able to print it for me during this time as well. That was kind of the idea behind it. I just wanted to put all of this information into one book and be able to give it to my clients, also for me as well. As I say, when I'm having lessons I can use this to help people. And my main thought process behind it was, if I was to give a book to someone that had literally never heard of makeup in their entire life, had never picked up a makeup brush, had never bought a makeup product, how would I put it into words? So this really dumbs it down like a lot, but I think that's really important when you're trying to learn something. It's good to go from scratch. However, saying that, this is perfect for anyone who wants to learn makeup themselves, who literally has no idea, or someone that knows a bit more. It's also perfect for any makeup artists that want to start on clients or already do clients. It's literally perfect for absolutely anyone who wants to know anything about makeup. I decided to go for an A4 size booklet. I think that's a really good size. You can have this down on your worktop and be able to read it and, you know, work with it as you're doing your makeup, or it can just be a nice read by itself if you don't want to practice as you go. And it's something that you can always go back to. I've kind of put it into sections, so you can go back and read a bit more on something if you want to know a specific thing, if that makes sense. So I've kind of gone through like the idea behind it, how long it took, what I wanted from the product, all of that kind of things, which was kind of the main questions that you guys asked. But the main question I got was what is actually in the manual. So obviously I don't want to show you guys page to page and everything, because it kind of ruins the point of you receiving the manual and being able to see what's in it. But I am going to go through what I've got in it, the contents page, and I'll show you guys a few pages so you can kind of see the layout and what is in there. So this is the front cover. I went for this because I feel like if you know me, you just know this is my style. It's got a bit of pink in it, it's got black in it, which I love. This kind of font, this has been with me since the beginning of my makeup journey. This used to be like my logo style, so this means so much to me. I know it's just a font, but still. So it says, The Makeup Manual by Charley P, an in-depth guide with tips and tricks to help you achieve the perfect look. And then on the back, it's just plain with my socials down here. So if you guys do purchase this and ever need to get in contact to ask me any questions regarding makeup or the manual or whatever, you can do that. So when you first open the manual, you have the contents page here, and the first page you have is a little bit about me. I was kind of umming and ahhing about the idea of having a page about me, but I did think it was important to kind of talk you guys through my journey with makeup, because I think my journey becoming a makeup artist is very, very different to anyone else's. That's what's on the first page, but I'll go through the contents page. So first of all, we have about me, so that's that little page. So then we go on to skin prep and skincare. I decided this was so important to include. I think everyone always kind of puts skincare and makeup in different sections, but they are so in the same section. Skincare is literally the most important part of makeup. You need to have that good base to start your work. So I definitely needed to add a page about skincare. I did a whole bit about how to determine your skin type, because that is probably one of the biggest questions I get from clients or just people messaging me, trying to work out what their skin type is so then they know what products to buy. So you have all of that in here. And then also steps of skincare. I went so in depth with this to the point where you really don't need to use all of those steps, but I wanted to make sure I included all of them. Then we go on to the actual makeup side of things. So I first go on to face makeup. This includes primer, foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer and contour, blusher, highlighter and finishing sprays. I will just show you guys a quick page. So for example, this is the powder page. I write all about the types of powder, and you will be so surprised how many different types of makeup products there are. And this book will tell you everything about every single product. I give you little tips and tricks along the way. I give you my kind of picks. There's this whole Charley's picks throughout the entire book, and it's all of my favourite products if you guys were interested. And there's also pictures as well. And they are of me because I couldn't get any models in, obviously, because we were in isolation. But yeah, there are pictures as well, which I thought was super important. I didn't want to just have a whole book with just writing. I wanted to show you guys some things as well. So yeah, for example, there's how do I bake on here. That's one of my biggest questions. Then we come on to eye makeup. So this includes eyebrows, eye primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner and false eyelashes. Again, this goes so in depth. I literally tried to do it as if I was explaining it to someone that lived under a rock. So again, I'll just show you a little page. So on this page, I have all of the different brow products you can use, how to find your brow shape, all of my favourite products, tips and tricks, everything like that. Eyeshadow tutorials, how to create the perfect wing. Again, one of my most asked questions. There's a bit about which lash style will suit your eye shape, how to apply fake eyelashes. Then we come on to lip makeup, and I know probably a lot of you thinking like, oh, there's probably not that much information, but trust me, there is. I go into lip prep, lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss and lip contouring. So again, we have pictures, we have tutorials, we have what lip colour will suit you, everything like that, literally all in that section. So that's like kind of the main part of the manual. That was what I wanted the manual to be based around, was the different types of makeup and the different types of products you can use and what suits what and all of that. Then we come on to some different things. So next we come on to makeup for different occasions. Everyday makeup, evening makeup, glowy summer makeup, bridal makeup, festival makeup and makeup for photography. So I just go through in this book basically what I would personally recommend using for all of those different types of makeup and how different the products can be for each of those occasions, if that makes sense. Next we have brushes, tools and equipment. So I go through brushes for the face, brushes for the eyes, tools for your makeup kit and equipment for makeup artists. So just a quick flash, but I literally go through every single brush and its use. I go through every single tool you can have in your makeup kit and their purpose, and then equipment for makeup artists. If you are a makeup artist buying this manual, that will sort you right out. Then we have makeup kit essentials. So I went for the everyday kit, the evening kit, the travel kit and the gym kit. I just feel like those 4 kits are the most popular ones, and I literally just, it's really simple to be honest. I just go through what I would personally have in those makeup bags. So hopefully that helps you guys if you're packing any makeup bags. Then I have hygiene standards. I definitely have to have this. It's such an important part of makeup, especially if you are working on clients. So this includes keeping your brushes and tools clean, keeping your makeup clean, keeping your makeup area clean and keeping yourself clean. And that is just a bit of a boring page, but it's very important, as I say. And then the last section I have is the business. So this includes all about becoming a makeup artist, setting your prices, building your portfolio, staying organised, returning clients and getting feedback and all of that. And that's just a double page spread on all of that kind of stuff. My experience starting my own business and keeping my business going. So if you are a makeup artist already or want to be a makeup artist, that will be super interesting as well. So that is pretty much everything in this manual. I think that literally covers every single part of makeup personally. It's a 44-page manual, so yeah, there's a lot in it, and I think I'm just so proud of it. I really am. I love it so much. So the outside is this kind of glossy finish, as you can tell, and then the inside is just this really nice like gloss, not really glossy, but just nice paper, which I know will last. I wanted to make sure it would last all of you because I know makeup can get very messy. So enough of me rambling about the book. I will now go on and tell you guys how you can buy it if you're interested. So my manual is for sale on my website. I'm not taking any orders through DM or anything like that, just because it's so much easier just so you can go and buy it and do it all yourself. So I'll leave a link for my website down below. It's so easy to get it. Literally you just click a button and click another button, put your payment details in, and then you're done. And I do send these out every week, so you will definitely get your manual within a week at latest. The price of my manual is £14.99, which I think is such a good deal for the amount of information you get. And I do always have a lot of discount codes as well, which actually I'm going to give you guys one now in this video just to kind of celebrate, make a video about it, I guess. So you can use the discount code YAY20 for 20% off, which will bring this down to £11.99, which I think is an absolute steal, to be honest. I'll be running that discount code for a week or so, so make sure you go grab yours now. These have already been super popular, and I am so overwhelmed by the response to it. I literally can't believe it. I knew a lot of you guys were excited about it, but I didn't realise how many people would actually purchase it. I do currently have limited stock. I think I will probably do a restock, but just grab yours in case I don't. You never know. Anyone who owns their own business or has struggled through this time working and not earning any money, you know how hard it's been. This has really helped me out, so thank you to everyone who has purchased one already. It literally means the entire world to me. And it's really helped me through this horrible time. And thank you to any of you who are going to purchase it as well. It means so much to me. Literally, I remember that first order I got, I literally just burst into tears. It's the best feeling knowing that your work has paid off, so thank you so much. I have been thinking about whether to have a PDF version. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts, so please do let me know if you have any thoughts on that and if you would personally prefer a PDF version. But yeah, it's my little baby, and just thank you guys so much, honestly. Right, I'm going to leave now. I feel like I've been rambling for so long. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to head on down below to my website, just have a little look. Even if you're not that interested in buying, just have a little look. Please also share it with your friends. It will mean so much to me if you guys share it around and spread the word, honestly. Anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video.